You guys missed this bike? 97 wrecked Magna. It's been a little while. I forgot to wear my gloves, and I also forgot to wear pants because I'm gonna burn myself. I see I have a turn signal. Turn signal light bulb works, but the marker light's out. Otherwise, she's running good. We of course have this issue, but it's not really an issue. Progressive rear springs. There's a sticker on that side. They don't look the best, but they're on there. So yeah. Wish I wore my gloves, wish I wore pants. Anyway, gotta get gas in her. Put a good fresh ethanol-free gas in there. Missing the cover here. There's also needs to be a filter in there, so. Oh well. She's running good, so let's take her down the road. And here we go. Filled her up. Set the trip meter to 0. And we're gonna try not to burn ourselves. Now she's been sitting for quite a while. She still sounds good. And gotta get the squeaks out of her. Got all the stuff out of my pockets and now it's in my backpack, so I'm not worried about losing anything on the road. Now for some reason I can hit neutral pretty good on this thing, but I got my side stand light lit up because I guess the leads fell off. So what are you gonna do? Just an extra light on the dashboard. There's the sunset. Beautiful, wonderful sunset. Too bad we're going the other way. But this thing does really well, so other than the front end shimmy shake. Ah, burned my leg. Yep. If you have jeans on, doesn't happen. Now, I don't know. I don't remember if this thing has any dud spots in it. Because if you put Vance and Hines pipes on it, there's usually a dead spot around 4.5 or 5. And we're probably not going to need to be up in that area that much today. Beautiful night. Felt a cool spot there. Not a problem yet. It will be, because I don't have pants and I don't have gloves and I have a fresh burn on my leg. But 97 Honda Magna, if you don't remember this thing, I picked it up in 2021. Actually, I was just looking at dates for this thing. July 9th, 2021, yeah. And I've ridden her from time to time, but she definitely has an issue in the front with the steering. and it was wrecked, and I had to replace bars on it, which I feel like they're a little bit lopsided at the moment. I think if I knock this riser up a little bit, it might be perfect. But right now, she runs pretty straight. I just feel like she's a little bit low on the right side. I had to replace the bars, had to replace the turn signal on the right side. Gonna have to do the steering bearing. Need to tighten up the rear brake. I said that the last time I rode it, and I guess I never did. I think the front caliper was dragging, so I bought one off eBay and stuck it on, and I guess it's doing okay. It's stopping well. I really don't want to put my leg down because I'm going to burn myself again. Say my first, second. I don't know where I am. I'm in first. Maybe in second. So 43,400 miles almost. Not bad for a Magna. Most of mine, this might be the highest mileage Magna that I have. But it was ridden and hopefully well cared for, other than being wrecked. She rides pretty smooth, other than, like I said, the front shimmy. I've never actually replaced the steering bearing. I've only ever ripped them apart. So for me to go ahead and put one back together, that'll be a special occasion. But other than the pipes on this right side, I don't think she really needs a whole lot. Obviously that RPM gauge tachometer is missing a needle and the glass, but it works fine. I'll have to plug in, oh yeah, we need to check the bulb on this side, and we need to plug in the side stand wiring apparently. She sound good. Third gen Magnas. Oh yeah, we adjusted the chain. I had to adjust the chain so it wasn't slacking. These things ride pretty nice, pretty smooth. The seats, if you have a stock seat, are pretty cushy. Good times, good times. Oh. Yeah, the steering's tight. It's almost like I have a dampener on it, holding it steady, which I guess is a good thing. It's not flopping all around. I guess I'd be more upset if it was flopping around. Five speeds. Always like my 6 speeds, but you know, they didn't do a lot of 5-6 speeds in the modern day cruisers. At least not in the 2000s. Maybe they do now. Or in the 90s. This is a 97. They ran this model from 94 through 2003. They changed colors here and there, but really pretty unchanged, to be honest. There's a Harley dealership. I think I went in there one time. just to see what they have in used bikes. And when I was a teenager, my tech class took a tour of Harley Davidson factory, and I thought for sure I was going to work at Harley Davidson and I was going to ride a Harley and it was going to be awesome. I was really excited. And then I realized I can't afford a Harley. They're a little pricey for my blood. So I just bought 40 or 50 metric bikes. I don't have any American-made motorcycles. It's just what happened. I did have a Harley pass through the shop one time, but that was for me to paint, not for me to own or buy or even work on. I did have to tear it down for take the parts off, but you know, it's not easy getting a fender off a Harley, let me tell you. Rear fender and oil tank, they're a pain. I don't have a whole lot of complaints on this bike, other than the things that still need repaired. Maybe I'll ask someone else how much it would cost to do a steering head bearing. I have the parts, but I don't want to rip this apart. If I take it to them, they'll do it in a day and then I can get it back, right? If I go and do it, I doubt I'll put it back together the same day. Maybe if I'm motivated. Cruising along on my Honda Magna. How many of you guys watching this have this exact model? Or how many, what are you guys riding? I don't even know what my subscribers are watching, my subscribers. I don't even know what you guys ride. I'd be curious. Tell me if you ride one of these or if you're thinking about buying one. Because you could buy this one maybe. She runs good. Alright guys, guess that's it for now. That's the 97 wrecked 43,405 miles. I will see you on the next one. Vance & Hines pipes, little bend on the right side, whatever. I'll see you guys. Have a great one. Bye bye.